Good morning friends, my name is Milan and today we talk about the Folistrong hair oil. Folistrong hair oil which is used for prevent hair fall and also promote hair growth. So let's start. The Folistrong hair oil look like this. It is a 100 ml pack. It is cost in India is 154 rupees for 100 ml. It is manufactured by the Cadila pharmaceutical. It is one of the top 5 best company in India for best pharmaceutical company in India. Okay, now let's see the content of Folistrong hair oil, which is mainly used for prevent hair fall. First one is bhangaro herb powder, which is called wedelia calandulacea. It is a 26% weight by weight. Wedelia calandulacea, it is mainly used to prevent hair fall. How wedelia calandulacea increases blood circulation in the hair follicle, so it make strong the hair follicle. So large amount of blood is supplied into the hair follicle, so hair follicle become strong, so hair fall is reduced. And then Amla fruit, it is called Umbilica officinalis. It is 8.82 gram. Then Behda fruit, it is Terminalia bellerica, it is 8.82 gram, and harde fruit, Terminalia chibula, it is 8.82 gram. So these all Amla fruit, Behda fruit and harde fruit, it is called in Triphala in Hindi. So this Triphala fruit, it is mainly used to prevent the breakage of a hair. Now see, what is the main reason of a breakage of a hair? It is the deficiency of vitamin C. Then these three fruit, Amla fruit, Behda fruit and harde fruit, increases that is a very high, it contain high amount of vitamin C. It is a main sources of vitamin C, rich sources of vitamin C, you can say that. Thus these three fruit prevent breakage of hair and hair split. Now one main content is then galostem. It is tinospora cordifolia. It is also main rich sources of antioxidant. And then Triphala fruit also contain the very high amount of antioxidant, and these antioxidant prevent a hair follicle from free radicals. So it prevent the damage to the hair follicle, and so it promote the hair growth because of a high amount of very high rich amount of antioxidant. Thus this Folistrong hair oil prevent hair fall, promotes the hair growth, relieves the itching of a scalp. It also relieves itching and prevent the premature graying of hair. Thus Folistrong hair oil, this is the review of Folistrong hair oil. So if you any question about related to this hair oil, you can ask me in comments. And one thing I say, the use how to use Folistrong hair oil. Folistrong hair oil used massage oil gently into the scalp after a bath or before bedtime. So this is how to use Folistrong hair oil. Okay, if you like my video,